Alright guys, today is February 9, 2024 and I wanna plant these babies of Thimble cactus. So it's easy. So this is my mesh tape. I'm gonna put it here. I have these two small terracotta pot, which I'm gonna put the two big ones. Alright. The soil, but then before that I want to put some vermiculite. Let's see. First time I'm gonna use this in Thimble cactus. Actually, first time I'm gonna propagate Thimble cactus. So that's the vermiculite. It's good to help the plants, the roots. I just put on the top a bit, and then let's get the cactus. I have 3 big ones, but I have only 2 small pots. So what I did when they fell off, when I collected, I put that powder. The cinnamon powder. There you go. Then I have 2 more here, and let's put here. I'm gonna combine the 2. It jumps. There. Let's get the other one. There. Alright guys, so these small ones I'm gonna plant it here. I don't know if I need 2. This is a saucer of terracotta pot, terracotta saucer. I don't need the drainage because you're just gonna steam it. Mix it. So let's put soil. Soil is cactus and succulent soil, and then a lot of perlite. The reason why I'm using this is so it's just a shallow container because they are so tiny. Because if you put them in a bigger container, the water is the problem. The water will not be good for them because they are in big container. They just need a shallow container. All right. So now after this, I'm gonna put again this vermiculite. That's vermiculite ready to use. You can get any brand. This is the vermiculite I use for my propagating the purple delight. That's why they rooted very well and they are healthy. Okay, I'm gonna spread out. And then after using this soil with vermiculite, don't throw it. You can reutilize it. Everything in the garden can be reutilized except the mealybugs. You don't want to utilize them. They should be gone. All right, now I'm gonna get these plants. All right guys, time to put them on this. There. I hope they grow. I hope they will root it. Maybe I can utilize only one. Let's see. All right. Make sure you see that's the part where it's gonna be rooted. Alright, so guys, I ended up utilizing this one too. The other one is finished. And this one, I started to put those. And I wanna emphasize one important thing. So look at before putting them on the soil, look at the tip. Where is the tip of the Thimble cactus? Alright, let's pick this up. Okay, this would be the tip. See that? Meaning there's no thorn or thorns on that part. So the top is filled with thorns. So I'm gonna dip it with my cinnamon powder and put it here. So that's very important to know. So the roots will come out. There you go there. This one already with cinnamon, but let's put one more. I'm off camera. Alright, so now I wanna show this cutie. They're so cute. Look at that. And this is the smallest. These two. So cute. These two, I don't know if they will grow fruits. Alright, let me put these two. Then the rest of camera. You are so cute. Okay, there you go. So cute. It's like I'm picking up a diamond. Okay, there. Let's put them together. There you go. And the rest I'll put off camera. Thank you guys. Thank you so much, and hope you like it. Hope you will learn something, and let's see. I hope they will be successful in rooting. So this is what I do after the rain. And it's sunny, so I'm gonna clean the leaves because all those dirt and pumice or dust went to the leaves of the plants. So at the same time there are water here, so I'm gonna wipe it with a paper towel. You don't have so this is what I do, and then check at the same time if they have mealybugs inside. There, see that? Dirt comes inside. So I check this one is done, and the two over here are done. So let me check this one. This one is to keep your plants healthy. Actually, the rainwater on their leaves will not burn their leaves because the rainwater doesn't have chlorine and they love it. But this dirt, you need to take it out. So I use the brush, but since it's drying up now, I love to wipe. So see that those perlite. So I do this to all plants until they are all clean. Not in one day. To release stress, this is what I do. Clean them, check them, to keep them healthy. So I don't need to buy more plants. Alright, let me show you. All of them are flowering. Look at that. Alright guys, they are fully clean. And if you see, they are flowering. There. They are flowering. This one. This one. This one. The PBN. And the PBN here. So what I do, flowers are easily invaded by mealybugs or bugs. So what I do on the rosette, I spray neem oil when it's cooler. I spray neem oil not once, you know, as much as you can, so that they will grow healthy and they're big. This one, if you know the name of these plants, of this Echeveria, please let me know. This is, I do believe, the same as this that keep growing on that jar. One time I'm gonna take them out so they will grow more. And so that's the best way to do after the rain. Check your garden, and then any plants that needs help, help them. Like this one, a lot of perlite, so I brush it off. I clean the leaves that are dirty. You can wipe it. You can clean them as much as you can. Alright guys, thank you so much.